Hi. So, you have listed down your key activities. Great. Take a look at the business model canvas again. The key resources block is right below the key activities one. How will you identify your key resources? Answer these questions. What key resources are required by your value proposition, your distribution channels, your customer relationships, your revenue streams, your activities? But all your resources are not your key resources. Of these, identify the ones which are difficult to procure, critical to the process, or also expensive. These are your key resources. If you are in the organic foods restaurant business, organic supplies and innovative chefs are your key resources. If you are the owner of a cafe, procuring the right coffee blends are your key resources. Of course, location is a key resource for both of these. Just like key activities, key resources differ from one business type to the other. Based on your business type, key resources can be broadly categorized into these four major categories. Physical. Assets such as manufacturing facilities, buildings, vehicles, machines, systems, point of sale systems, distribution warehouses, all of these belong to this category. Large retailers like Walmart and Amazon rely heavily on such physical resources. Intellectual. Brands, proprietary knowledge, patents, copyrights, partnerships, and customer databases are form of intellectual resources. Consumer good companies like Nike and Sony rely heavily on their brands. Google considers its intellectual properties as its biggest key resource. Qualcomm, a supplier of chipsets for broadband mobile devices, built its business model around patented microchip designs that now earn the company substantial licensing fees. So, patents and copyrights form Qualcomm's biggest key resources. Human. It goes without saying that all enterprises need human resources, but these resources are key to organizations catering to knowledge intensive and creative services. For an organization like NASA, its scientists form the biggest key resource. Similarly, in a restaurant, its chefs are perhaps its biggest key resource. Financial. The financial resources include cash, lines of credit, and the ability to have stock option plans for employees. All businesses have key resources in finance, but some will have stronger financial resources than others, such as banks that are based entirely on the availability of this key resource. To see the complete list of questions, refer to the business model canvas your facilitator has given you and start identifying your resources. All the best.